If you look at the back of the light fixture, you'll notice that there are several cables coming from the back. The first one is the power input. The next one over is the DMX control input. On the other side, and this one goes to one of the panels, this goes to the other panel. This is a DMX output that could be chained to another light, and this is the power output that could also be chained to something else that needs power. And in the case of the controller box, that's where it will receive its power. So once you have the control box, you have the two cables coming out. The larger one is the power, and you will connect it to the power out coming out of the light. And it's impossible to connect it to the wrong one because it will only fit the power output. Like so, and then it screws on. The other cable will connect to the DMX input on the light fixture. And once again, it's impossible to connect it to the wrong one because it will only fit one of them. The DMX output is actually the same gender as the cable coming out of the box. So you connect the DMX in, power out to the power into the box.